Winning day, Thursday. We're transferring the winners now from the farrowing house to the winner pen, being grouped in their size. Big females, big males separately, the ones which are a bit struggling in the sick pen. So a busy day on any pig farm. Thursday, always a big day. So we are winning. Today we are winning 450 winners. Infrared lights already placed to control the temperature. So right now we are transferring from the farrowing house to the winner pen. We are transferring from the farrowing house to the winner pen. As you can see, the guy is taking stock, recording every winner's coming, and we move our winners in these trolleys. As you can see, these trolleys are the ones we use for transferring winners from the farrowing house to the winner pen. So after transferring the winners, we start feeding them porridge. They were eating starter there, and they'll continue on starter until they gain 2 kgs. That's when we change them from starter to crib. But soon after I transfer them, we make porridge of starter with warm water to encourage them eating. There's a group of smallest ones, mixed males and females, smallest ones mixed, and these are big males. You see these ones, they are already eating the feed, they don't have any problem at all, and these are big females. No problem at all. And these are medium combined. These are medium combined. So the mediums and the small ones are the ones normally the guy in the winner pen concentrate most. Starter already in the cell feeder. You can see the starter in the cell feeder. Already feed in the cell feeder. The starter, which they were eating there when they were in the farrowing house.